Hey guys, what's up? My name is Shyla and I'm back with another video. Today's video is how to make Orbeez slime. I already made some and here you go. It's really slimy. And I have some crushed up Orbeez. You just need Orbeez in a Ziploc bag, something to crush it up with. I have this. And now, I'll show you how to make slime. Get a bottle of slime. Get ready to use it if it's some in it. Okay, let me close this. Hold on, I'm getting a blow out of the container. Now I got some slime out, glue out. I said slime. Slime is ready. I got some glue out now. Good for glue. Okay, this is how much glue I got in it. Wait, shade. That's how much glue I got in it. Shade. Hold on. See, oh, right there. Hold on. Okay, you don't need to see it right now. Hold on. Next, you need 4 drops of eye correction. You need 1 little one, not big ones, 2, 3, 4. And now you need crushed up Orbeez. You need a scooper, and that scooper is your hand or a spoon, honey. I'm gonna use my hand. Just if you use a spoon, it would take forever to take the freaking spoon out. It would be heavier, but not heavy. It would be longer. Okay, that's enough Orbeez right there. So get some of that out. Okay, no more Orbeez in a bag. Okay, next thing you do is get a spoon. Next thing you do is stir it up. And next thing you keep stirring it. Now I'm still stirring it till you get a little piece of slime. Get your slime, and I stir it in the corners. I stir it to the middle, so I don't have nothing in the bowl. And so I have this, a popsicle. I'm getting a popsicle. And now, I want you to scoop that off. Now you have Orbeez slime. Orbeez slime. The favorite Orbeez slime. Orbeez slime. And be careful, please don't rip it. Well, if you want to rip it, you can. Well, this one is slimier. This is the first one. This is the second one.